Chapter 1: The AI SaaS Gold Rush. Imagine this. It's 2025. You wake up in the morning, grab your coffee, and before you even brush your teeth, you check your phone. You see an email. New payment received. 99. You smile. You didn't talk to a customer. You didn't manually do any service work. You didn't freelance overnight. That $99 came in automatically because you own a SaaS product powered by AI. And here's the kicker: it only took you a few hours to set it up. We're living in a gold rush moment right now. Except this isn't about mining gold or buying land. The new gold is attention plus automation. And the tools to capture it are finally in your hands. For the first time in history, someone with no coding background can build a real SaaS app that makes real money, all thanks to AI plus no code. Let's break this down. Why SaaS? SaaS, software as a service, is one of the most powerful business models in the world. Think about companies like Slack, Zoom, Dropbox, Notion. They don't sell one-time products. They charge monthly recurring revenue (MRR). That's money coming in every single month, automatically. For example, if you charge $29 a month and get 100 customers, that's $2,900 a month. Get 500 customers, $14,500 a month. Push to 1,000 customers, $29,000 a month. And here's the beauty: the software doesn't sleep. Once it's built, it runs 24/7. You're not trading time for money like freelancing. You're building a machine that keeps printing income. Now, traditionally, building SaaS required a team of developers, months of coding, and at least $50,000 to $100,000 in funding. But in 2025, the game has changed. AI plus no-code tools let you do this in days, even hours. Why AI plus no-code is a cheat code. Think of AI as your smart brain assistant and no-code as your hands. AI helps generate features, write, copy, handle customer queries, even build UI code. No-code tools like Bubble, Softer, or Glide let you drag and drop your way into building fully functional apps without knowing a single line of code. Combine them, and suddenly the barrier to entry for building SaaS drops from years of coding to a single weekend. Real-world example. A solo founder used ChatGPT plus Bubble to build a habit tracker app with AI reminders. Within 4 weeks, they had 200 paying users. Another founder built an AI resume tool with Make plus OpenAI plus Softer and grew it to $10K month MRR in 6 months. These are not fairy tales. These are happening right now on Indie Hackers, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And guess what? You could be next. Why 19 minutes? You might be thinking, okay, but how can I build something so fast? Here's the secret. You're not building Facebook. You're not building a billion-dollar product on day one. You're building what's called an MVP, minimum viable product. That means you're building the simplest version of your idea that solves a problem for a specific group of people. Not for everyone, just for a niche. And with AI plus no code, building an MVP can literally take less than 20 minutes. You'll be shocked how fast it goes. Find a problem worth solving. Use AI to generate the idea, name, and landing page copy. Use no code to build a working demo. Integrate payments with Stripe. Launch. That's it. You're live. You now have something people can pay for. The SaaS opportunity in 2025. Let's zoom out. Why is SaaS the business model to pursue right now? Low upfront costs. You don't need an office, a warehouse, or inventory, just your laptop. Global reach. You're not selling to just your city. Anyone in the world can use your app. AI is creating new problems daily, and new problems mean new opportunities. For example, AI writers, people need plagiarism checkers. AI video editors, people need watermark removers. AI job hunters, people need auto-apply tools. Investors are hunting SaaS startups, but the truth is, you don't even need them. You can bootstrap. This is why people call it the gold rush of our generation. And just like every gold rush, the ones who take action early are the ones who win big. Mindset before you start. Before we jump into building in the next chapters, I want you to set your mindset right. Speed perfection. Don't wait 6 months building the perfect app. Launch fast. Improve later. Niche general. Don't make a to-do app for everyone. Make a to-do app for lawyers. Execution ideas. Everyone has ideas. Winners are those who actually build. Consistency motivation. You won't feel motivated every day, but consistency compounds. Remember this line: the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. So, if you're watching this video, you already have an edge over 99% of people. You're learning how to build something that could pay you every month while you sleep. What's coming next? In the upcoming chapters, I'll walk you step by step. Chapter 2: How to find a SaaS idea that can make 10K month. Chapter 3: How to validate your idea before wasting time. Chapter 4: Building your MVP in 19 minutes with AI plus no code. Chapter 5: Getting your first 10 paying customers. Chapter 6: -10 Scaling, mistakes to avoid, tools, resources, and the final blueprint. By the end, you'll not just know how to build a SaaS business, you'll actually be ready to launch one. So buckle up, because the gold rush is here, and it's your turn to grab a piece of it. Chapter 2: How to find a SaaS idea that can make 10K month. The biggest myth about SaaS ideas: most beginners think, I need $1 million idea to succeed. Wrong. The truth? You don't need a genius, world-changing idea. You just need a painkiller, not a vitamin. What does that mean? A vitamin idea is something nice to have. Example: AI wallpaper generator. People may play with it for fun, but they won't pay every month. A painkiller idea solves a real, burning problem. Example: AI tool that automatically writes Amazon product descriptions optimized for SEO. Amazon sellers hate wasting time writing listings. That's a pain. If you solve it, they'll gladly pay $49 month. So your goal isn't to be creative. Your goal is to spot pain. Step 1: look for pain in fast-growing niches. Here's a hack. Don't try to serve everyone. Instead, find niches that are growing like crazy. Spend money on tools. Have daily recurring problems. Some of the hottest niches in 2025: e-commerce sellers, Shopify, Amazon, Etsy; content creators, YouTubers, TikTokers, bloggers; freelancers and agencies, designers, marketers, copywriters; remote teams, project management, communication; AI-specific tools, prompt management, AI-powered workflows. Example: Shopify sellers need feedback, reviews, and ad copy fast. You can build an AI review generator or AI ad copywriter. YouTubers need titles, thumbnails, and editing help. You can build a tool that suggests viral titles using AI. Step 2: use AI to brainstorm 100 ideas in minutes. Here's where AI becomes your best friend. Instead of staring at a blank page, open ChatGPT and ask, give me 50 SaaS ideas for Shopify sellers that solve recurring problems and can be sold at $29.99 month. You'll instantly get dozens of ideas. Most will be average, but a few will stand out. Then refine. Rank these ideas by urgency of the problem, willingness to pay, and market size. Now you have a filtered list of high-potential SaaS ideas without wasting weeks. Step 3: validate the idea before you build. Here's the #1 mistake people make: building first, validating later. Imagine spending 3 months building an AI video editing app, only to realize nobody wants it. Painful. Instead, validate in 24-48 hours. Create a simple landing page, use card, framer, or softer. Add a headline: AI resume writer for job seekers, saves 10 hours week. Add pricing, $29 month. Add a join waitlist button, connect it to your email. Then share this landing page in relevant communities. Reddit, for example, r or resumes, r or freelance, indie hackers, LinkedIn groups, Twitter. If 50 to 100 people join your waitlist in a week, you're onto something. If nobody signs up, pivot fast. Step 4: criteria for a winning SaaS idea. When you're choosing between multiple ideas, use the peer framework. P equals pain. Is this solving a painful problem? I equals industry. Is the industry growing? Avoid shrinking industries. E equals ease. Can you build a simple MVP in 2-3 weeks with no code? R equals revenue. Are people already paying for similar solutions? If your idea scores high on all 4, it's a green light. Step 5: copy plus improve. Here's another secret. You don't have to invent something brand new. Go to Product Hunt, G2, or Sauceworthy. Look at what tools are trending. Pick one and ask, can I niche this down? For example, instead of general survey tool, make survey tool for teachers. Can I make it cheaper or simpler? Can I add AI to it and make it smarter? This is called copy plus improve, and it works insanely well. For example, Calendly niches like Calendly for therapists or Calendly with AI reminders. Grammarly niche like Grammarly for lawyers with legal writing checks. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You just need to spin it in a new direction. Step 6. Real SaaS idea examples that work to make this super clear. Here are 5 real SaaS idea breakdowns. AI ad copywriter for Shopify sellers problem. Writing ads takes forever. Solution. Tool generates Facebook plus Google ads with 1 click. Price, 39-month. Audience, Shopify store owners to M+ stores. AI video title and thumbnail analyzer for YouTubers problem. Creators don't know what will get clicks. Solution. Upload title plus thumbnail, AI scores them for virality. Price, 19-month. Audience, 50 meters YouTubers worldwide. Client feedback dashboard for agencies problem. Agencies waste time chasing client approvals. Solution. One dashboard where clients can approve or reject designs, copy, or videos. Price, 99-month. Audience, 500,000 plus agencies worldwide. AI resume tailor for job seekers. Problem. Applying to jobs is painful. Solution. Paste job link, AI customizes your resume instantly. Price, 29-month. Audience, millions of job seekers. AI customer support chatbot for Etsy sellers problem. Sellers waste time answering repetitive customer questions. Solution. Plug and play AI bot for Etsy. Price, 49-month. Audience, 7 meters plus Etsy sellers. All of these could realistically hit 10K month within 6-12 months with the right execution. Step 7. Narrow it down. Here's the last key. Don't chase too many ideas. Pick one. Most people get shiny object syndrome. They brainstorm 50 ideas, start 5, and finish none. The winners pick one painful problem, go deep, and stick with it. Here's the formula. Pick a niche, for example, YouTubers. Find their top 3 painful problems. Choose one problem you can solve with AI plus no code. Build MVP fast. Launch, iterate, scale. That's it. Chapter 3. Validate and build your MVP in just 19 minutes. Why validation first? Building later. Most first-time founders make the same deadly mistake. They spend months building a perfect SaaS, polishing every button, coding fancy dashboards, and then they launch. But nobody buys. Validation flips that around. You test demand first with a quick landing page or demo. If people show interest, emails, sign-ups, pre-orders, then you build. If not, pivot before wasting time. Remember, speed matters more than perfection. Step 1. Create a quick landing page. 5 minutes. You don't need code. You can spin up a landing page in under 5 minutes using cardi.co. Clean, simple one-page sites. Framer, modern, animated landing pages. Softer, Connect, Airtable, or Google Sheets to create functional apps. Your landing page should have 4 elements only. Headline: what's the big benefit? Example: AI ad copywriter for Shopify, write winning ads in 60 seconds. Subheadline: how does it save time or money? Example: never waste hours writing Facebook ads. Just type your product name, and AI does the rest. Call to action button like join the waitlist or try beta. Pricing: don't hide it. Even if it's fake for now. Ads starting at 29-month. Now you're live. You have a testable product idea in 5 minutes. Step 2. Share and collect data. 10 minutes. A landing page without traffic equals useless. So get eyes on it fast. Here's how you can validate in 10 minutes. Post in Reddit community's relevant niche. Example: Shopify entrepreneurs group. Share in Facebook groups. Example: Amazon FBA sellers group. Tweet: working on a new AI tool that writes ad copy in 1 click. DM if interested. Post in Indie Hackers under ideas and validation. Your goal: at least 10-20 signups within 24 hours. If nobody signs up, great news, you just saved months of wasted building. Pivot fast. Step 3. Build a clickable prototype for minutes. Okay, people signed up. They're interested. Now you need something they can see, not code. Just a clickable demo. Use Figma, Canva. Design a fake dashboard with buttons. Tally, Typeform, fake input forms. Marvel app link screens together so it feels real. When someone clicks, you don't need a backend. You just collect their input and fake the output. Example: a user types running shoes. Instead of actual AI output, you show generated ad. Step into comfort: the one running shoe of 2025. Boom, they believe the tool works. That's enough to validate. Step 4. Minimum viable product MVP in 19 minutes. Now the fun part: actually making a working demo. Here's how you can do it without coding. Tool Stack No Code plus AI. Bubble Glide Software builds simple web apps. Zapier Make Integromat automate workflows. OpenAI API GPT generate text, answers, summaries. Replicate 11 Labs image and voice AI models. Stripe Lemons Queasy payments. Example walkthrough. AI Resume Tailor 19 minutes build Glide app. Build a simple app where user pastes job description plus resume. 5-min Zapier integration. Send that input to OpenAI GPT model. 4-min OpenAI API generate tailored resume. 5-min output in Glide show AI customized resume text. 3-min Stripe button unlock full resume export for 29. 2-min. Done. You've just built a product that looks real, works, and can take money, all in 19 minutes.